Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless flan. We'll explore a fantastic recipe that delivers all the creamy, sweet satisfaction of traditional flan, but without any eggs. This makes it a wonderful option for those with allergies or specific dietary needs. Get ready to create a truly impressive dessert that's surprisingly simple to master, ensuring a perfect treat every time. Now, let's talk about what you'll need. The core ingredients include milk, sugar, and a key thickening agent to replace the eggs. We'll discuss excellent egg substitutes like cornstarch or agar-agar powder, which are crucial for achieving that signature flan consistency. You can also easily adapt this recipe using plant-based milks for a delicious dairy-free option, making it versatile for everyone. Let's get cooking. First, you'll create the beautiful caramel layer that gives flan its distinctive look and taste. Then, we'll mix the custard ingredients, making sure everything is perfectly smooth before pouring it over the caramel. The cooking process, whether baking in a water bath or steaming, is key to achieving that delicate, creamy texture. We'll guide you through each step for a flawless result. Once your flan is cooked, patience is a virtue. It needs to chill thoroughly, ideally for at least 4 hours, to firm up and develop its full flavor. Then comes the exciting part, inverting it onto a serving plate to reveal your perfectly formed, glistening dessert. It's truly a showstopper. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade eggless flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.